Hello guys, welcome to Aniceto Nano's YouTube channel and you are watching our 51st live stream music recital. And today you will be witnessing music performances from my piano and voice students. And now, please welcome Derek.
Hello everyone, my name is Derek, a piano student at Nanos Music Studio. I am from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Special shout out to Mama Rosaline, Dada Freddy, my brother Kuya Alfred, my relatives in the Philippines, and to all watching out there in the live stream. These pieces are all dedicated to you.
right, let's give a hand. Derek. Okay. So Teacher Nice is so happy that we are successful in this live stream. And thank you so much for all those who are watching at their homes. Thank you so much for tuning in to Derek's live stream performance today. And let's proceed to the awarding of the certificate. Certificate of Achievement. This certificate is proudly presented to Frederick J. Valenzuela for having successfully completed the Piano Adventures Level 2A Sight Reading, Theory, Lesson, Technique and Artistry, and Performance. And for dynamic and active participation in this 51st season live stream music recital, given this 22nd day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, Edna L. Nanyos MacDDS, LPT, and yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr., MBA, LPT. So this is your certificate. Derek, hold it. And there's more. Let's move on to the Piano Adventures exam. So this special certificate comes from the Piano Adventures USA. Piano Adventures exams and Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This hereby certifies that Frederick is officially awarded the Level 1 exam certificate. Let's give a hand to Derek for excellence in theory and given this 20th of February 2025 from Faber Piano Adventures. Signed, the owners of Piano Adventures, the authors of Piano Adventures, Nancy Faber and Randall Faber, and signed also by Teacher Nice, Teacher Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr. Congratulations, Derek. This is for you also. Can you hold it? And there's more. Okay. This is a special citation for all students who get at least 97% from their theory exams. Let me read the content for Certificate of Recognition. Certificate of Recognition. This certificate is proudly presented to Frederick J. Valenzuela for earning the title of Theory Leader. Let's give a hand to Derek. Piano Adventures Level 1 Theory Exams with an outstanding score of 69 over 70 points. Wow, let's give a hand to Derek. Thank you so much. And given this 22nd day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So if you look at this one, guys, we have QR code. You can scan this and you can see that Derek is part of our Bravo board, the Piano Adventures Bravo board. You can find his name there with special shout out. So all the students who are excelling in the theory exams. So you can still handle this third certificate? Okay. So congratulations. And also, may I invite all the mommy and daddy here po. Pwede po kayong lumapit po sa ating camera and mag-screenshot lang tayo. Si Kuya, come. Yeah. Come and join us. Alright. So may space pa tayo sa tabi ni daddy. Okay, mag-lean lang tayo ng konti. Yan, a little bit lower. Yes. Para kasya tayo sa screen. Okay, look at the camera and we will count 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much po. And to those who are watching live again, thank you so much for your support to Derek and to the mommy and daddy of Derek. Thank you so much po. Without you, Derek can't do this. And thank you, Kuya, also for joining. And have a blessed day. And watch out for our next performer. Stay tuned and don't go away. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.